change lanes, you should check your mirrors and Option A. Never look over your right shoulder. Option B. Always slow down in your traffic lane. Option C. Glance over your shoulder. The correct answer is Option C. Glance over your shoulder. Question 27. Dim your headlights for oncoming vehicles or when you are within 300 feet of a vehicle. Option A. That you are approaching from behind. Option B. Approaching you from behind. Option C. That you have already passed. The correct answer is Option A. That you are approaching from behind. Question 28. You are driving on the freeway behind a large truck. You should drive. Option A. Closer behind the truck than you would if following a passenger vehicle. Option B. Farther behind the truck than you would if following a passenger vehicle. Option C. To the right side of the truck and wait to pass. The correct answer is Option B. Farther behind the truck than you would if following a passenger vehicle. Question 29. Increase your following distance when driving behind a large vehicle. Option A. To better see around the sides of the vehicle. Option B. Because other drivers tend to pull behind large vehicles before trying to pass them. Option C. Because following too closely will get you caught in the vehicle's slipstream. The correct answer is Option A. To better see around the sides of the vehicle. Question 30.
Even when under the speed limit. A. To avoid tire wear. B. Because it's easier to steer with one hand in a curve. C. Curves reduce visibility and may hide hazards. D. It's required only in the rain. The correct answer is C. Curves reduce visibility and may hide hazards. Explanation. Even if your vehicle can handle a sharp curve at the speed limit, you should slow down because curves limit visibility. There could be a stalled vehicle, an obstacle, or a collision just around the bend. Question 10. What should you do if a traffic signal changes while a pedestrian is still crossing? A. Honk at them to hurry. B. Wait and yield the right of way. C. Drive around them. D. Flash headlights. The correct answer is B. Wait and yield the right of way. Explanation. If a traffic signal changes while a pedestrian is still in the street, the pedestrian generally has the right of way. Drivers are required to yield to them. Question 11. What is the safest way to pass a bicyclist in the travel lane? A. Pass closely and quickly. B. Honk and then speed up to pass in the same lane. C. Move to another lane and pass safely, then return. D. Stay behind them until they stop. The correct answer is C. Move to another lane and pass safely, then return. Explanation. To safely pass a bicyclist that is in the travel lane, move to another lane to pass safely and quickly, and then return to your original lane. Question 12.
ChatGPT, can I make money online with $0?
Yes.
The stopping distance of large commercial vehicles is A. Shorter than small vehicles. B. Longer than small vehicles. C. Same as small vehicles. D. None of these. The correct answer is B. Longer than small vehicles.
Option B, because other drivers tend to pull behind large vehicles before trying to pass them. Option C, because following too closely will get you caught in the vehicle's slipstream. The correct answer is Option A, to better see around the sides of the vehicle. Question 36. You must notify the DMV within 5 days if you Option A, are cited for a traffic violation. Option B, sell or transfer your vehicle. Option C, paint your vehicle a different color. The correct answer is Option B, sell or transfer your vehicle. Question 37. Night driving presents unique problems because Option A, the speed limit is increased at night. Option B, there are fewer cars on the roads at night. Option C, distance and vehicle speed are difficult to judge in the dark. The correct answer is Option C, distance and vehicle speed are difficult to judge in the dark. Question 38. A pedestrian starts to cross the street after the don't walk signal begins to flash. The pedestrian is in the middle of the street when your signal light changes to green. You should Option A, proceed if you have the right of way. Option B, proceed if the pedestrian is not in your lane. Option C, wait until the pedestrian crosses the street before proceeding. The correct answer is Question 39. When changing lanes on a freeway, you should Option A, signal for at least 5 seconds. Option B, slow down before you start to change lanes. Option C, assume there is enough space in the next lane for your vehicle if you signal first. The correct answer is Option A, signal for at least 5 seconds. Question 40. If you are driving on a highway next to a single broken white line marking, Option A, you cannot cross the line to pass. Option B, you may cross the line to pass and change lanes. Option C, you may only cross the line to change lanes if you are in the left lane. Option A, school zones. Option B, no passing zones. Option C, speed limits. Option D, railroad crossings. Correct answer is Option B, no passing zones. Question 8. You are approaching an intersection at the posted speed limit when the signal turns yellow. You should Option A, slow down and proceed through the intersection without caution. Option B, speed up to cross the intersection before the light turns red. Option C, stop before entering the intersection if you can do so safely. The correct answer is Option C, stop before entering the intersection if you can do so safely. Question 9. Which of these statements about drugs and driving is true? Option A, any prescription drug is safe to use if you don't feel drowsy. Option B, even over-the-counter drugs can impair your driving. Option C, only illegal drugs can impair your driving. The correct answer is Option B, even over-the-counter drugs can impair your driving. Question 10. Yellow lines separate. Option A, traffic lanes on one-way streets. Option B. Traffic moving in opposite directions on two-way roads. Option C. A lane barrier between regular and carpool lanes. The correct answer is Option B. Traffic moving in opposite directions on two-way roads. Question 11. Unless otherwise posted, the speed limit in a residential area is Option A, 20 miles per hour. Option B, 25 miles per hour. Option C, 30 miles per hour. The correct answer is Option B, 25 miles per hour. Question 12. It is a very windy day. You are driving and a dust storm blows across the freeway, reducing your visibility.